So this is part one of the comparison using different papers, and this is an A3 size Mi-Tones Touch. I will be using soft pastels through to harder pastels such as Rembrandt, Unison, Caran d'Ache and the softest Sennelier. I've also used two blues of pan pastels on the deep blue of the sky. So I'm adding cream, or just off white, yellows, light orange around the cloud area, and now just adding some nice deep purples and dark blues for the dark side of the sky. This dark area at the moment has up to 3 layers. Also, I'm not using fixative on this painting, there's no need with the amount of layers on the sanded paper. There's purples added now in the tree line just to give a bit more depth and look of shadow.